The trade deficit took off about 1.16 percentage growth from fourth quarter GDP. What does this wind up doing then to first quarter GDP?
Definitely going to be a drag. I mean, we've fallen into that pattern again where we're going to get looks like we're going to get a low first quarter GDP number, and that's happened for the last 5 years. So looks like we're going to see 5 out of 6. And where we've seen softness in the first quarter is in trade as well as in consumer spending. But I think again, naturally, you go back to for example, to the last expansion in the 2000s, and trade was consistently taking about a percentage point off of growth. Because you've got strong, as you said, as you have strong domestic demand, some of that is filled from overseas production.
As you said, last year we saw that dip in the first quarter or second quarter, then it came back up in the back half of the year. Is that what you project this year? What are you looking at this year in terms of GDP growth?
Yeah, I think it will. I think certainly consumption, which is going to be soft in the first quarter, is going to bounce back nicely in Q2 and for the rest of the year. Every time we've had one of these weak first quarters in recent years, second quarter has bounced back pretty strongly.
So, Karyn, do you agree with that? And more specifically, when do we see the tax cuts take effect? Are we seeing it yet?
Well, I think we are starting to see it. And I do agree, but I think that it's business investment that's going to take up the slack. And I think that's so consumption might be a little bit weak in the first quarter. Trade is a drag. But business investment is really the component that we're looking to take up the difference. And I think that's just going to keep getting stronger and stronger as the tax cuts start weaving their way through the economy.